Anybody want any hard drives? God, I'm consolidating this mess. Ooh, one more. Oh, Quantum Bigfoot. So, a lot of IDEs, and these are all my scuzzies. Say this. That's not the purpose of the video. It's still cleaning up over here. We have it. Oh, wait a second. Okay. Custom Express. Yes. See? It still does. Still is doing updates. Ooh. Hopefully it doesn't have to rescan for everything after these two, because I know there are more than this. Look at right here. Yep. Copyright 2017. See if that changes in, I don't know, what, 2 days? Where am I? What the hell am I doing? So, yeah, this took about 24 hours to process. And I think this is going to be the start of the video of replacing the video card and more securely connecting the... Oh, I got rid of the screws that were for it. Anyway, so the next part, oh, wait a second, hold up here, this is what I'm waiting for. Are we doing it? Are you doing it? See, I mean, I think this kind of proves a point too. Those other Dells, that the 2400 and that compact, which is then the Celeron D, those were both all up to date at the get-go doing the net install of Debian. This, holy smokes. Oh my goodness. All right. Let's install everything. Here we are in 2018 for reasons I really don't want to get into right now. But just gonna be wrapping this thing up. A quote-unquote downgrade of the graphics card. And I already did one thing. I did decide to put that 1 gig of RAM in there. So now it has 1.5 gigs. So it's pretty well stocked for a Pentium 4 2.2 gigahertz. So the thing that we need to do now is uninstall the graphics drivers for the GeForce 8400, which is way too powerful for this machine. And you've seen this before. So the 9250 is going to be in there. This did complete its first round of updates from online. It still has more to do, but before we go ahead and do that, I do want to get that card in there and set up. So we need to uninstall the NVIDIA drivers. So it's not going to be a lot with this video, but let's uninstall. Uninstalling the drivers and then keeping the NVIDIA card in caused the machine to hang up on boot. So I took out the card, Put the 9250 in, boot it into safe mode just in case, and it found it right away. I'm still going to put the ATI Catalyst software on here, but that's just an interesting note. So right now, let's see what happens when we restart, not in safe mode. So we have more RAM and but a 3-year older video card. And hopefully nothing stops it from booting correctly. Yeah, there we go. And incidentally, there you go. The bracket, the brace for the power supply, there are no screw holes on that power supply to actually make that more secure, unfortunately. So right now I'm just going to install the right drivers, and we'll take it from there. Well, there were a few hiccups along the way. I had to put the sound card in a different PCI slot for it to start working again. Installing the Catalyst drivers needed the .NET framework. I don't know why I put that in the frame. The .NET framework in order to actually change the resolution out of 640 by 480. But I think I have everything straightened out, and now we'll turn it on in its final form. So right now it's for what it is, it's pretty spry. Better than the 1.8 gigahertz Pentium 4 it came with a 2.2, 1.5 gigs of RAM, and sound that actually works. So let's take a look at the Windows, if we can, Windows Update page. Well, it looks a little off on this monitor. I don't know. It's not the monitor it's going to stay with. It's probably not going to be even hooked up to a monitor for, but I don't even know what this monitor's native resolution is. Should look that up. We are still working, are we? I'll be back. Yeah, not even a minute. It just took a long time for the system tray utility to pop in there. Look at that. It is checking. Copyright 2018. I don't know how long this is going to take. It's probably going to take a while. Maybe not. Wow. Impressive. Windows XP updates in 2018. This might be the last part. I've said that in many videos and still continued on, but just in case. Later. Yep, so I lie. I changed the way Microsoft Updates looks for updates, and it just finished doing that. But yeah, this came up in the system tray. Give me the balloon. You're gonna give me the balloon? Oh well, I guess I missed it. It had its said it's downloading updates, and separate from those because as we see here, there's network activity. It was actually downloading some stuff in the background. So that's it only proves that there are more updates. Of course, like I said, this is the POS ready trick. So I don't know when that runs up. Is it this year or is it next year? I think it's next year. Not like I would ever put this, be a browsing machine on the internet, But it's just very, very interesting, I think. So I did install the monitor driver just to see, but I still can't get it at its native 1440 by 900. Not like it really matters. The thing that really is the interesting thing, the only reason why I'm continuing this video right now is it's not going through the website right now, but it did download 10 updates and it's installing them as it would have when it was still supported. Well, technically, like I said, it's still supported, this version. You know what? Totally, that's it. I think I've proved my point, whatever that point was. You tell me. But this is truly the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Take care.